Build OS Android v8.0 Oreo. Dimensions 148.8 by 75.8 by 8.2 mm. Weight 172 grams. SIM hybrid dual SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Colors black, silver. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band SPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE band 1 2100, 3 1800, 5 850, 7 2600, 8 900, 2800, 28 700, 38 2600, 40 2300. Processor CPU 2.2 GHz octa-core Cortex A53. Chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 630. GPU Adreno 508. Display technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 5.5 inches. Resolution 1080 by 1920 pixels, ~401 ppi. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Memory built-in 32/64 of a gigabyte built-in, 4 GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 256 GB, uses SIM2 slot. Camera main 16MP, f/2.0, 1.0 micro M, autofocus, dual LED plus dual tone flash. Features phase detection, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, panorama, HDR, video, 1080p at 30 fps. Front 8MP, f/2.0, 1.12 micro M, autofocus, 1080p. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi Direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v5.0 with a 2DP, LA. GPS Yes plus a GPS support, and GLONASS. Radio FM radio. USB Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. NFC Yes. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G, HSPA 42.25.76 Mbps, 4G, LTE Cat 4 150 Mbps. Features sensors accelerometer, gyro, compass, proximity, fingerprint. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP4/H.264 player, MP3/WAV/EAC+/FLAC player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch Yes. Extra active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, Dolby Atmos sound enhancement, document viewer, editor, photo, video editor. Battery capacity, Li-ion non-removable, 3000 mAh. Fast battery charging, 50% in 30 minutes.